Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use Google Maps offline. So let's get right into it. So this is only available, as far as I know, on the mobile version. And for this, of course, you need to download a map, which you select yourself, and then you can use that map offline. Now to download a map, I'll just be using this as a backdrop that you can see on my screen right now, the web version. I'll be using this as sort of a quasi guide, so just follow this. It won't be perfect, but I hope you guys understand this. But yeah, what you're going to want to do on the mobile version is you're going to tap on your profile icon in the top right. That'll open up a menu similar to this one. However, as you can see, I have no option for offline maps here. Now, what you want to do is tap on offline maps, and then you'll be able to click add or select your own map. Once you're there, you'll be given sort of a maps view where you'll have sort of a rectangular frame, I guess, in the middle of your screen. And once you have that frame, you can either zoom in or zoom out. And then once you select the appropriate frame, you can just click select or use this map and download, and you'll download everything within that frame onto your device as an offline map. And once you have that, then you can very easily access it without any internet in the future. So yeah, that is pretty much it. It will require a certain amount of data to download. Of course, if you're using your device data, for example, I don't know, this size of Manhattan would take like 25 megabytes, whereas this size would take around 50. And you know what I'm talking about, I guess. But yeah, that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.